Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the media stick and your system. Insert the stick into the correct port while GTA 5 is closed. Make sure the stick is formatted and has available space for transfer. If you're on console, navigate to the storage settings so the system recognizes new media. Once done, power on GTA 5 and go to the game's interaction menu to access content transfer options. These first steps ensure the stick is readable and that you can move files without corrupting saves. Next, you perform the actual transfer and file management. From GTA 5 menu, choose the items you want to copy, saves, clips, or mods, and select the media stick as the destination. Use copy rather than move when available so you retain a local backup. While copying, watch the transfer progress and system notifications. Slow transfers indicate either stick speed or port limitations. Make sure to create clear folder names on the stick so files are easy to find later. And finally, complete the process by safely ejecting the media stick using the system's eject option before removing it. Verify the copied files on a PC or secondary console to confirm they open correctly. If you encounter read or write errors, reformat the stick to a compatible file system like FAT32 or XFAT, then retry the transfer. This often resolves compatibility issues. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a local backup of saves so a faulty stick never causes permanent data loss, and run a quick read/write test to validate the stick.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.